My name is Sal, and I'm here with the December 2025 ProFed teacher Rockstar Jake Thomas at Northside High School. Congratulations.
Thank you. I help first year students get immersed with the cameras here, learn how to set them up, use them for our school broadcast. So they're using professional equipment from day one in the second year course, Audio Video Production Essentials. They are heavily diving into video editing, and we start out with Adobe Premiere Rush just to keep it simple. And then they'll use the skills that they build off of with first year by doing the announcements, as well as other miscellaneous projects. And then my third year students just encompass all of that, and they pick up all the heavy slack that might not get done in other classes or will always fine tune everything. The digital media pathway fits in with the METT, which is Manufacturing, Engineering, Technology, and Trade School Success, by being able to basically do anything for the school with the visual aspect with it, and then turning those still images that might be in digital design and putting those with actual motion and people. So we'll highlight various school projects. So we'll show all the dance performances we have here, our talent show that we have at the end of the semester. We're going to record that and broadcast for everybody. And then we also will cut up, make a little quick recap video. That way we can show in our Weekly Northerner, which is a weekly roundup video of all things Northside. In the winter, we have boys wrestling, girls wrestling, boys basketball, girls basketball that we record here. In the fall, we'll have volleyball, football, and soccer. And then as well as those other events like our talent show and any dance performances. Anytime if someone needs a quick recording, I'll try to see if I have a student available. I'll send them up to do that. If teachers need a lecture recorded and it's available during my video class time, I'll send students up to get that for them. And then just setting up for broadcast in the gym, helping out with any other technical aspects of the school day.
I think Jake has done a wonderful job basically starting a program from scratch, starting from the ground up, building up our radio television program, but into more of a multimedia program, because the world of media is changing. You know, you see a lot of people doing media on their own, even YouTube, through Instagram, through other things. So, you know, being able to incorporate those things and doing that with our students, like what we're doing here today with our podcast, those kinds of things lead me to believe he's really on the cutting edge of what, you know, the future of media is going to look like.
The most rewarding part of the work is seeing the Weekly Northerner at the end of the week, everything being put together, the announcements in here in the studio. I think my first year principal students into the fire and had them do that. So they got their first taste at being able to record the announcements a semester early, and they enjoy doing that. So now that's all they really talk about.
Teachers, counselors, bus drivers, custodians, cafeteria staff, administrators. ProFed knows it takes an entire team to make our schools shine.